In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change starting weight on MyFitnessPal. This is a straightforward process that can help you keep your weight loss or fitness journey on track. Let's dive into the steps needed to make this adjustment. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the familiar home screen, which features your daily food log and other options. This is the starting point for all your tracking needs. It's important to ensure you are using the most recent version of the app for the best experience. Once the app is open, you will be ready to navigate to the settings that allow for weight adjustments. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your tracking accuracy. Next, tap the More button, which is represented by three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. This button opens up a menu with several options to manage your profile and settings. You'll notice a variety of features available here, and it can be tempting to explore them all. However, we are focused on changing your starting weight today. This action is significant because it leads us to the area where you can make essential updates to your profile. From there, select Goals from the menu. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your fitness journey, including weight, activity level, and dietary preferences. By selecting goals, you are taking a step toward personalizing your experience on MyFitnessPal. This helps create a more tailored approach to your health and fitness objectives. You will now be directed to a screen that displays your current goals and settings, which is exactly where we need to be. Now tap Starting Weight at the very top of the list under Starting Goals. This section prominently displays your initial weight, which is critical for calculating your progress. It is essential to keep this information accurate as it impacts your calorie goals and overall tracking on the app. As you tap this option, you will be able to input your new starting weight accurately. Remember, this adjustment is important for reflecting your true baseline and maximizing the effectiveness of the app. After that, type in your correct baseline weight and choose the accurate historical date you started tracking. This step ensures that your records reflect your journey accurately from the very beginning. It can be helpful to refer back to previous records or weigh-ins if you need assistance in determining your starting weight. Selecting the correct date is equally important as it provides context to your progress over time. This will ensure that the app can calculate your weight loss goals appropriately. Finally, tap Save or the checkmark to update your profile history. Doing this confirms that all your changes are saved and will be reflected in your MyFitnessPal account. You should see a confirmation message or indicator that your updates were successful. This final step is essential as it locks in all your hard work and allows you to move forward with an accurate starting weight, ensuring your tracking remains effective and relevant. With that, you have successfully changed your starting weight on MyFitnessPal. This simple action is a key part of managing your health journey effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you in your fitness aspirations.